Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to use Video Frame in Roblox Studio. Open Explorer and Properties, insert a screen GUI into Starter GUI, then add a video frame. Resize the frame and set the video property to a valid Roblox asset ID or streaming URL. Adjust size and anchor point for placement and set visible to true. Test now in play mode and tweak playback settings and properties for looping or autoplay. Choosing the right source matters for reliability and performance. Prefer Roblox Asset ID for built-in support and faster loading, and only use external HTTPS streams when needed. Replace the video property with the asset ID or URL, then preview playback in Studio. Watch for cores or streaming limits when using outside hosts. Adjust buffering and playback speed settings to balance quality and responsiveness. Control is key to a smooth experience, so script play, pause, stop, and seek using local scripts tied to your GUI. For interactive controls, connect buttons to functions that modify the video frame playback. When multiple players need sync, send timestamps with remote events and correct drift on clients. Always test latency and edge cases, and provide fallback behavior for unsupported streams or network hiccups to keep gameplay pleasant for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.